Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Let's begin with this idea. You don't need to speak fast to sound fluent. Many learners think, if I speak quickly, I'll sound like a native speaker. But the truth is, fast does not mean fluent. Fluency means speaking clearly, using natural rhythm, saying phrases in chunks. It's not about speed. It's about flow. You can speak slowly and still sound natural. That's what we'll practice today. Part 1. What is chunking? Have you ever heard someone speak one word at a time? Like this. I want to go to the store. It sounds unnatural, right? Now listen again in a chunk. I want to go to the store. Chunking means putting words together in groups. These groups are like little thought units. Let's try a few. Phrase 1. I'm going to the store. Chunk. I'm going to the store. Repeat slowly. I'm going to the store. Now faster. I'm going to the store. Phrase 2. She doesn't like coffee. Chunk. She doesn't like coffee. Repeat. She doesn't like coffee. Phrase 3. What do you want to do today? Chunks. What do you want to do today? Repeat it. What do you want to do today? Now try it naturally. What do you want to do today? Feel the rhythm. That's chunking. Part 2. Speak with pacing and pauses. Now let's talk about pacing. Pacing is how fast or slow you speak. Good pacing means you pause where it makes sense. You let your listener breathe. You speak with intention. Let's practice. Sentence 1. I'm not sure what to say. Chunk it. I'm not sure what to say. Say it with a pause. I'm not sure what to say. Sentence 2. It's okay to take your time. Chunk. It's okay to take your time. Say it slowly with calm pauses. It's okay to take your time. You don't have to rush. The pause is your friend. Part 3. Practice speaking naturally. Let's try a full mini conversation. First slow, then natural. Slow version. Hey, what's up? Not much. Just getting ready for work. Oh, cool. You want to grab coffee later? Sure. Sounds good. Now repeat with me, one line at a time. Hey, what's up? Your turn. Not much. Just getting ready for work. Your turn. You want to grab coffee later? You repeat. Sure. Sounds good. Your turn. Natural version. Hey, what's up? Not much. Just getting ready for work. Oh, cool. Wanna grab coffee later? Sure. Sounds good. Repeat the full conversation naturally now. Hey, what's up? Not much. Just getting ready for work. Oh, cool. Wanna grab coffee later? Sure. Sounds good. Don't try to be fast. Just smooth. Flowing. Relaxed. Part 4, Rhythm Practice. Repeat after me. Let's train your rhythm. Listen and repeat these phrases with natural pacing. Phrase 1. I'm still learning. I'm still learning. Phrase 2. That's a good question. That's a good question. Phrase 3. I have no idea. I have no idea. Phrase 4. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Phrase 5. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. Say each one slowly first, then more naturally. Soft, relaxed, natural. This is how native speakers talk. In rhythm, not in speed. Part 5, Story Practice with Pacing and Chunks. Let's try a story together. Slow version. This morning, I woke up and made some tea. It was quiet outside. I sat down and started reading. Then my phone rang. It was my friend. He said, "Wanna go for a walk?" I smiled and said, "Sure. I'll be ready in 10 minutes." Natural version. This morning I woke up and made some tea. It was quiet outside. I sat down and started reading. Then my phone rang. It was my friend. He said, "Wanna go for a walk?" I smiled and said, "Sure. I'll be ready in 10 minutes." Now let's break it into chunks and repeat. Chunk 1. This morning I woke up and made some tea. Chunk 2. It was quiet outside. Chunk 3. I sat down and started reading. Chunk 4. Then my phone rang. It was my friend. Chunk 5. He said, "Wanna go for a walk?" Chunk 6. I smiled and said, "Sure. I'll be ready in 10 minutes." Now say the full story again, calmly. This morning I woke up and made some tea. It was quiet outside. I sat down and started reading. Then my phone rang. It was my friend. He said, "Wanna go for a walk?" I smiled and said, "Sure. I'll be ready in 10 minutes." Feel the pauses. Feel the rhythm. Let the story breathe. Part 6, Final Encouragement. Remember, speaking naturally is not about being fast. It's about being clear. It's about feeling confident. You can speak slowly and sound fluent. You can pause and still be understood. Chunk your sentences. Breathe between thoughts. And let your words flow like music. Repeat after me. I don't need to rush. I speak clearly and naturally. My English sounds calm and confident. I'm proud of how I speak. Let that feeling stay with you. You're doing beautifully. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.